Good morning. So our classmates in class already have wrote their names. So hopefully at home you have wrote your name. If not, I'll give you a second. Go ahead and write your name. And let's go over our reading packet. This is for group 2, okay guys? Matt bike. Matt has a new bike. The bike is big and blue. Matt rides his bike to school every day. So, some people who live close to the school, they can walk to school or they can ride their bike. But some kids who live far away from school, a family member bring them to school or they get on the school bus. So again, we want to say welcome to our third graders back to school. Our second graders and first graders came out last week. Our fourth graders will be coming tomorrow. Then our kindergarten. So welcome. I hope all is well with this weather. Let's go ahead. I'm going to write my name. Miss B. Okay. So are y'all ready to answer the questions? I'm going to read the story one more time. The title is Matt Bike. Matt has a new bike. Matt bike is big and blue. Period. Matt ride his bike. Period. No period. To school every day. Period. Let's answer the questions. Blank has a new bike. Who have a new bike? Can I hear you? Great. B. Circle B. And you can write Matt. The bike is big and blue, little and red, little and blue. Which one did the story say? You can always go back in your story, and it's right here. Big and blue. So that's going to be what? Y'all tell me. I'm not giving y'all the answers. Which one is it? Okay, our classmates here say it's A. Big and blue. Number 3, Matt ride his bike. A. To the park? Maybe, but the story didn't say that. To school? Always go back to your story. It's right here. Or to the zoo? Not sure. So what is it, guys? Our classmates in the class say it's B. Did y'all say that at home? To school. Okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed the story. And if y'all have any questions, contact Miss Alexis or Miss B. And we'll see y'all later. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.